Good morning, Commissioners. Diana May, Senior Assistant County Attorney, and the other hat is I'm the local government designee for the oil and gas for El Paso County and have been since 2011. Good morning.
Good morning.
I know that you had wanted to receive an update concerning oil and gas activity in El Paso County. The last oil and gas activity that we have had in El Paso County was in 2014, April 2014. And that was the last well that we had drilled, and it was a vertical well by a business by the name of two names. They have NextGen and Mustang Creek, and they drilled one well in northeast El Paso County. Prior to that, we have had six other wells that had been drilled. Only one of those wells have ever been fracked, or fracking is for lack of a better word, and that occurred in December of 2012, so over 3 years ago. I know there was some concerns perhaps addressed at a Department of Health meeting or perhaps in front of the commissioners the week before last. So just to summarize, we have had wells drilled here in El Paso County. Of all the wells, only one of them has been fracked, and it was fracked in December of 2012. We've had one well since then that has been vertically drilled. There's been no other activity throughout the entire year of 2015, and there's been no request for any other permits or any other drilling since 2014. I did last week double check with NextGen just to make sure that they weren't planning on permitting any new wells or had any other future intentions in El Paso County. And they indicated to me last week what they did a year and a half ago, which is their activity is completed here in El Paso County.
There is a significant difference, as has been said, between drilling a test well and fracking. And even if there was fracking going on, fracking's been going on throughout our state for over 40 years and other areas. And we have significant state safeguards in place and local safeguards, et cetera. So I appreciate the information. And if that's ever brought up in front of this board again, we'll be able to share that information directly. Which is very, very much appreciated. It was my understanding that the latest well, the NextGen well, was even deeper than the shale that we had been looking at a couple of years ago, which was in the 6,000 foot range. This, I understand, was closer to 10,000 feet. Is that accurate?
That is correct. It was the deepest vertical well.
Perfect.
I do have all the current information on our oil and gas website, and if you go back through my prior local and gas liaison meetings I held, I have a summary on each one of them where it would give a timeline if anyone has any questions about any of these wells.
Perfect.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.